Hey guys, TruAdder here, Dom. Just want to make a quick video because I want to release something so that if anybody else has this issue, like with Aether and stuff like that, you guys might have seen my last video where I talked about how to install the original Aether mod for Minecraft 1.7.3 beta using the Betacraft launcher. Now, I actually got a comment or two saying that it didn't work, and I didn't know, like, I don't know. And recently, actually, I had this issue. Just like today and yesterday, I had this issue, and I was like, what the fuck? I'm able to run ModLoader, Shock API 5.1 with Aether 1.02 and 5 using 1.01. Aether 1.01 uses 5. Aether 1.02 uses 5.1. Just so you guys know. And I did in the order of ModLoader, then Audio, then Player API, then Shock, and then, you know, Aether. And it didn't work when I tried to use it with Aether. I did it with, you know, fuck off. I tried to do it with every fucking mod individually, and it didn't work no matter what. I found out, I don't think this is actually what, I mean, it could have been what caused it, but this is what fixed it for me. So, what Java are you guys using? Because I was simultaneously running Java 8 and Java 11, but as soon as you can see right here, Java 8, but I was using both. I had both installed. When I kept running it, it didn't work at all. Nothing worked. I tried everything, but I figured, like, okay, what if because I think, I don't know, I think it's the Betacraft launcher for some reason tries to prioritize Java 11 as opposed to Java 8. Like, I was able to run it perfectly fine with my original Minecraft launcher here, which, still works here. Not really, but it, you know, it opens, so, like, if I do play offline here, as you can see, yeah, so that works. So, I'm guessing it's because the original Minecraft launcher uses Java 8, but Betacraft probably prioritizes Java 11 as opposed to Java 8. So, if you have Java 11 and you want to play with Betacraft, I don't know if you can prioritize the Java, like, make it so that it only runs Java 8 only. That would be good. But for now, I uninstalled Java 11, and there you go, it works. Now it works with Betacraft. So yeah, this probably went on longer than I wanted it to. I was only playing like a 1-2 minute video, but now it works. Now it fucking works. So yeah, if you can't get it to run, it might be because you have a newer version than Java 8, and if it is possible to make it so Betacraft only uses Java 8 when you have Java 11 installed or some other version, then let me know in the comments if you figured it out, because I would like to know that. So, bye guys, that's all.